So we've got our epoxy mixed. We've got the purple, we've got the blue. It's set for about 5 minutes or so after I mixed it. Well, let's just go ahead and pour it in here. Slow and easy. We're going to end up with extra on the blue, I think. But that's fine. I'd rather have it mixed too heavy than too light. Alright, so there's our blue. We'll pour our purple in. Should be wearing gloves for this, but and there's our purple. Well, there we go. Now these are going to have to sit for probably 10 or so hours before I can add the swirls in them, maybe a little longer. And then 72 hours before I can take them out of the mold.